In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. This is a quick and simple customization, but it can make your workspace feel much more personal and easier on your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in Asana each day. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and you can pause and follow along in your own account as we go. First, open Asana in your web browser and log into your account so you can see your main dashboard. This is usually the screen where your projects, tasks, or home view appear. Once you're on that main page, shift your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. It may look like a small button or a word with an icon, depending on your current layout, but it will always be in that top right area of the dashboard. Go ahead and click the Customize button. As soon as you do this, a drawer or side panel will slide open from the right side of your screen. This panel is where Asana lets you adjust different visual and layout settings for your workspace, and it's where we'll find the color options. Inside that right side drawer, look for a section labeled Background. Just below this label, you'll see a series of color swatches. These are small color previews that show you the different background options available for your profile view or dashboard. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the different color swatches and decide which one feels best for you. You might want something bright and bold to make your workspace feel energetic, or something softer and more neutral if you prefer a calmer look while you work. When you're ready, click once on the color swatch you want to use. As soon as you click it, Asana will automatically apply that color to your dashboard profile background. You don't need to save or confirm anything else. The change happens instantly. If you change your mind, you can simply click another swatch and the background will update again right away. Feel free to experiment a bit until you find the color that fits your style and makes your tasks easy to see. And that's all there is to it. By using the Customize button and the background color swatches in the right-hand drawer, you can quickly change your profile color in Asana whenever you like.